In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow a ticket in HubSpot. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot, then open the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account so you can access your service tools. If your company uses single sign-on, follow your normal login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard. Next, move your cursor to the left navigation sidebar and look for the CRM section. This is where HubSpot keeps objects like contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Hover to expand the menu so the options are clearly visible. If you don't see the sidebar immediately, try widening your window or zooming out slightly. Layouts can shift based on screen size and permissions. Choose Tickets. That opens the Tickets index, where you can see open and closed conversations your team is tracking. Use the search bar or filters if you need to narrow things down, then click the specific ticket you want to stop following. Opening the ticket brings up its full record, including the timeline, properties, and activity feed. Following a ticket in HubSpot subscribes you to changes such as new comments, status updates, and reassignment. If you've been looped into a ticket just for visibility, unfollowing is a simple way to reduce noise while keeping the record available when you need it. Keep in mind, your ability to view or modify follow status depends on your user permissions set by your admin. On the ticket record, locate the Actions menu. It's typically near the top of the page, often toward the right. Click Actions to reveal more options for this record. From that drop-down, select Unfollow. Unfollowing means you'll no longer receive notifications about updates to this ticket's activity. This only affects your personal notifications. It doesn't change who owns the ticket or what other teammates see. After you click Unfollow, look for a brief confirmation or a change in the follow state. In many layouts, the option in the menu will switch to Follow if the unfollow was successful. If you don't see Unfollow as a choice, that usually means you weren't following the ticket to begin with, and there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, navigated through the CRM to tickets, opened the ticket you wanted, used the Actions menu, and selected Unfollow. This small step helps keep your inbox and in-app notifications focused on the work that matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these same steps anytime you need to tidy up your ticket notifications.